be honest, when I first did this question, I worked out powers of 5, 6, 7, 11, just the ones up to 2006, and then kind of just looked at them until I, spotted how it would work. I'm going to do it slightly differently here because we can just use logic to get there a bit more nicely. But by all means, you can use that approach. Okay, here's how we can do it even better though. So 5, 7, and 11, they're all odd numbers. So when we raise them to different powers, we're going to get odd numbers as well. And when we add them together, we're going to get an odd number because an odd plus an odd plus an odd is an odd. So it's going to be an odd number plus 6 to the k is equal to 2006. Now this is an even number, so we require that 6 to the k is also odd. And the only way that is going to be true is if k equals 0. 6 to the power 0 is then 1. Otherwise, we have multiples of 6, which are all even. That's useful, so I'm just going to underline that one. That leaves us with 5 to the j plus 7 to the l plus 11 to the m equal to 2005. Right, now it's really good to now look at 5 and 11 because when we raise them to different powers, they're going to 5 to the power of anything ends in a 5. And 11 to the power of anything ends in a 1. So we've got 6, a contribution of 6 from here. So to end up with a 5 here, this must end in a 9. And so we can just investigate the powers of 7 that end in a 9. 7 to the power 1, 7 squared is 49, that's a contender. And then 7 cubed is actually 343. If we go even further, times by 7 again, we actually go above 2005. So it must be that L is equal to 2. And 2 to go. We've got 5 to the j plus 11 to the m equals 2005 minus 49. Like a minus 50, quite easily, that's going to be 1955. And I'll just add 1 back on. So 1956. And now I'm going to write down some powers of 11 and then sort of see what would happen if I subtract it. So if I subtract 11, I would end up with 1945. This is not a power of 5, so I can ignore that one. If I subtract 121, I'm going to get 1,835. That's not a power of 5 either. 11 cubed is 1,331. And then we get 625. Okay, that one is a power of 5. It's actually 5. Wait, it's 5 to the power of 4. Because it's 25 times 25. So that means that j is going to equal 4 and m is going to equal 3. So add these up. We've got 0 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. That's going to give us a total of 9. Well done.